PUBG black screen on PC. In this video, you are going to learn how to fix PUBG black screen on PC. So let's get started. First, update graphic drivers. By outdated or corrupted graphic drivers can cause various issues, including black screen problems. Update your graphic drivers to the latest version available from the manufacturer's website. Then you can verify game files. Steam users can verify the integrity of PUBG game files to ensure that no files are missing or corrupted. Go to your Steam library, right-click on PUBG, select Properties, go to the Local Files tab, and click Verify Integrity and Game Files. You can adjust graphics settings, lower your in-game graphics setting to reduce the strain on your system, set the graphics quality to a lower level, and disable features like anti-aliasing, shadows, and post-processing effects. Next, run as administrator. Right-click on the PUBG executable file or shortcut and select Run as administrator. This can help ensure that the game has the necessary permission to run properly. Or you can check for overlays and third-party software. Disable or uninstall any overlays and third-party software that may interfere with PUBG, such as Discord overlay, GeForce Experience overlay, or MSI Afterburner Returner Statistics Server, for example. Now, update Windows and DirectX. Make sure that your Windows operating system is up to date with the latest update from Microsoft. Additionally, ensure that you have the latest version of DirectX installed. That's how you can easily fix PUBG black screen on PC.